Hello everyone, my name is Clarence Anthony C. Gutierrez. Today, I will discuss how global issues such as climate change, health crisis, and economic recessions disproportionately affect the global south. Understanding this dynamic is crucial for fostering international cooperation and support. Climate change poses a significant threat to developing nations. Despite contributing at least to global carbon emission, countries in the global south are often the most vulnerable to climate disasters. For instance, rising sea levels and extreme weather events can devastate agriculture and infrastructure, leading to severe economic repercussions. Similarly, during health crises like the COVID-19 pandemic, wealthier nations secured vaccine and medical resources first. In contrast, poorer countries faced shortage and struggled with slower recovery efforts. This disparity highlights the urgent need for equality access to healthcare resources globally. However, there is a hope emerging economies such as China, India, Brazil are reshaping global economic dynamics. These countries are not only growing rapidly but also challenging the traditional economic power structures. Organizations like BRICS, comprising Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, aim to provide alternative to Western financial system, promoting a balanced global economy. In addition to emerging economies, various efforts are underway to bridge the North-South divide. Sustainable development initiatives and fair trade movements aim to empower developing nations by promoting economic growth that is environmentally sustainable and socially. Furthermore, South-South cooperation fosters collaboration among developing countries, enabling them to share resources and knowledge. Conclusion: while challenge persists, there are numerous initiatives and collaboration aimed at creating a more equitable global landscape. Imperative that we continue to support these efforts and advocate for international cooperation. Together, we can work towards a more balanced and sustainable world for all. Thank you for your attention.